Hello guys. Welcome to my video. Guys, today I will tell you that, how can we extract the business leads of doctors from any city of UK. First of all, you need to download and install the software, Yellow Page Spider on your computer, from the link given this video's description. After the installation, just open the software, Yellow Pages Spider, and select the country name from the top of the screen. When the page is loaded, just click in the first box and enter the business name, Doctors. Now enter the target city on the other box, and click on Search button. When the data is loaded, click on the button, Get Data. The data starts collecting in rows and columns. When the extraction of the data is done, just click on the Stop button. And then click on Export Data button to get the data in the Excel sheet. So guys, hope you understand the video completely. Thanks for watching the video.